Tired of struggling to send PDFs on WhatsApp Web? Let me show you a simple, step-by-step guide. In this video, I'll teach you how to send PDFs on WhatsApp Web, even if you're a tech newbie. Start by opening your web browser and going to web.whatsapp.com. Search for the contact or group you want to send the PDF to. Click on the plus icon in the chat box. Select Document from the options. Navigate to the location where your PDF is saved on your computer. Select the PDF file and click Open. Once the PDF is attached, a preview will appear. Click on the send arrow to send the PDF to the contact or group. That's it.